Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use lion's mane capsules. Lion's mane is a fascinating mushroom, celebrated for its potential to support brain health and cognitive function. Using it in capsule form provides a straightforward and accurate method for daily intake. This approach ensures you get a consistent dose, which is crucial for experiencing the full range of benefits this natural supplement offers. Let's dive into the best practices for incorporating it into your routine. Finding the right dosage is important for optimal results. Many people find a daily dose between 500 milligrams and 3,000 milligrams effective. It's wise to begin with a smaller amount, like 500 milligrams, and slowly increase it as your body adjusts. For timing, most users prefer taking their capsules in the morning or early afternoon. This can help support focus throughout your day without interfering with sleep. Taking lion's mane capsules is simple. Just swallow them with a glass of water. You can take them with or without food, depending on your personal preference and how your body reacts. While many users report benefits like improved focus and memory, remember that individual experiences can vary. It's also important to be patient. It often takes several weeks of consistent use to truly notice the positive changes. Before adding any new supplement to your regimen, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking other medications. Proper storage is also key. Keep your lion's mane capsules in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, to maintain their potency. And speaking of quality, life's too short for cheap socks. For other great deals, and to check out those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, make sure to check the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.